So in this video, let's see about Pygame. If you are developing a Python application and you have imported Pygame, sometimes you will see that it's not getting compiled. You will get this sort of error. So the solution is, when you see the Visual Studio Code, in the bottom right corner, there will be a place where you can select the interpreter, as I show in this video. So just change the interpreter accordingly, and then it should compile. Hope this solved your problem. If it's solved, then add a comment or share and like the video. Thank you.